Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Best Sellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering the top-selling products on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the world of pedals and pedal accessories. Next on our list, at number 5, we present a dynamic duo designed to elevate your driving experience. Introducing the two PCS car pedal covers. Imagine this. You're on the road and it's raining. Your shoes are wet and suddenly your foot slips off the pedal. Scary, right? But fear not. These pedal covers are meticulously crafted with an anti-slip design, ensuring that every drive, whether in rain or shine, is as safe as it can be. The surface is adorned with anti-slip particles, significantly enhancing the friction between your sole and the pedal, making accidental slips a thing of the past. But safety isn't the only thing these pedal covers bring to the table. They add a touch of style to your vehicle's interior. Available in striking red, cool blue, and sleek silver, these pedal covers boast a dynamic appearance with a metallic texture that exudes mystery and fashion. They don't just look good, they feel good too, increasing the pedal contact area for better control and a more comfortable driving experience. Craftsmanship is key. These pedal covers are made from premium aluminum alloy and PVC plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. They're built to resist rust and wear, standing up to the test of time and the demands of the road. The precision engineering ensures a perfect fit for your accelerator and brake pedals, so you drive with confidence. Now let's talk compatibility. With dimensions of 3, 46x5, 11 inches for the brake pedal and 3, 14x5, 9 inches for the gas pedal, these covers are designed to fit most automatic transmission models. However, it's always a good idea to measure your car's original pedals to ensure a perfect fit. Precision matters, and a quick check can save you time and effort. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required. Here's how you do it. First, clean the original pedal. Then, attach the screws to the pedal cover. But don't tighten them just yet. Fit the cover onto the original pedal, snap the screw clip on the back, and finally, tighten the screws with a screwdriver. Voila! Your car now sports a set of stylish, non-slip pedals. Enhance your driving safety and style with these two PCS car pedal covers. Transform every drive into a safer, more stylish journey. Next on our countdown, taking the number 4 spot, we have a product that's all about precision, durability, and seamless compatibility. Presenting the 74015 set of 2 brake pedal accelerator clutch stop pads, specifically designed for Honda and Acura models. Imagine stepping into your car and feeling that reassuring firmness underfoot. These pedal pads are crafted from high-quality silicone, striking the perfect balance between softness and hardness. They're lightweight, yet boast excellent mechanical strength, providing the support you need for confident driving. Unlike rubber, which can emit unpleasant odors, and hard plastic, which is often a hassle to install, these silicone pads offer a cleaner, easier, and more durable solution. Perfect fitment is key, and these pads deliver just that. They are engineered to seamlessly replace OE part numbers 46505 SA 5000 and 46900 4SM 4300. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, sparing you the frustration often associated with hard plastic alternatives. But why settle for anything less than perfect? These pads not only enhance your driving comfort, but also contribute to a healthier cabin environment. No more worrying about irritating smells from rubber or the installation difficulties of hard plastic. Instead, you get a superior, odorless, and easy-to-install product that fits like a glove. Enhance your driving experience with the 74015 set of 2 brake pedal accelerator clutch stop pads. Perfect fit, exceptional quality, and designed with you in mind. Step into your car with confidence, knowing you've made the right choice for your Honda or Acura. 2 halves 4-0. Was this response better or worse? Better, worse. Same. Now taking the spotlight at number 3 in our top 5 countdown, we have a game changer for all Peloton enthusiasts. Introducing the dual function toe cages, the perfect accessory to transform your Peloton experience, whether you're riding solo or sharing the bike with family and friends. Imagine the flexibility of seamlessly switching between your favorite sneakers and Peloton cycling shoes. These dual function toe cages mount effortlessly to the bottom of your standard Peloton pedals, ready to accommodate your footwear choice without any fuss. Whether you're lacing up your Peloton shoes for a high-intensity ride or slipping into sneakers for a more casual workout, these toe cages have you covered. Perfect for couples and families. These toe cages are an absolute must-have for anyone sharing a Peloton bike. They're also ideal for hotels and gyms where the Peloton bike sees multiple users. No more hassle of swapping components or searching for tools, just a smooth, easy transition from one rider to the next. Boot camp enthusiasts rejoice. Say goodbye to the tedious task of changing shoes during intense workouts. With these toe cages, you can wear your sneakers through your entire stack, seamlessly transitioning from the Peloton tread to floor workouts to the Peloton bike. No more interruptions, just pure, unadulterated focus on your fitness goals. Installation, it's a breeze. Once these toe cages are bolted to your Peloton pedals, you can effortlessly switch between sneakers and Peloton shoes. Designed for both the original Peloton bike and the Bike Plus, they eliminate the pain and inconvenience of constant clipping in and out. No special removal tools needed, just pure convenience at your feet. And here's the cherry on top, the love it guarantee. We stand by the exceptional quality of our products, and we want you to be completely satisfied with your purchase. That's why all our products come with a 1-year warranty and our unwavering commitment to your happiness. Designed with passion in Boston, this innovation is backed by US patent pending 63610,970th. Elevate your Peloton experience with the dual-function toe cages. Versatility, convenience, and exceptional quality, all rolled into one fantastic product. Whether you're riding in sneakers or Peloton shoes, these toe cages ensure every ride is just right for you. Coming in at an impressive number 2 on our top 5 countdown of the best-selling pedals and pedal accessories on Amazon, we present the Ajxn 4 PCS brake switch stopper, a must-have for every car enthusiast and driver who values reliability and precision. Let's dive into what makes this product a standout. Inside the package, you'll find 4 meticulously crafted brake light switch stoppers. Yes, 4. That's more than enough to meet your daily needs, with extras to share with friends or family. These stoppers ensure that your brake lights function perfectly, giving you peace of mind and enhancing safety on the road. Crafted from high-quality rubber, these brake pedal stop pads are designed to last. They're sturdy, firm, and resistant to breaking or deforming. Comfortably tactile, they retain their shape and color even after extensive use, promising you a reliable performance every time you hit the road. Now let's talk about style and compatibility. These pads come in a classic black design embodying simplicity and elegance. They're not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing, seamlessly blending with any car interior. Their vintage appeal ensures they'll look good in any vehicle no matter the color. Size matters, and these brake light stoppers are just right, measuring approximately 1.8 x 1.1 centimeters, 0.71 x 0.43 inches. They're compact, portable, and easy to store without taking up valuable space. This perfect sizing ensures they fit a variety of applications, making them incredibly versatile. One of the best features of the Ajxn brake switch stoppers is their wide applicability. They're suitable for most car models, so compatibility issues are a thing of the past. Whether it's your vehicle or a friend's, these stoppers make an excellent gift, perfect for birthdays or any occasion, showing you care about their safety and driving experience. In conclusion, the Ajxn 4 PCS brake switch stopper delivers exceptional quality, reliability, and style. It's an essential addition to any vehicle, providing safety, durability, and a touch of elegance. Enhance your driving experience with this top-tier product and ensure your brake lights always function flawlessly. And now, reaching the pinnacle of our top 5 countdown, we present the number 1 best-selling pedal and pedal accessory on Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Dorman 74015 Brake Pedal Accelerator Stop, an essential addition to your vehicle that's small in size but huge in impact. Let's break down what makes this little marvel so exceptional. At a mere package weight of 0.018 kilograms, the Dorman 74015 might seem unassuming at first glance, but don't let its lightweight nature fool you. This auto part is engineered for precision and reliability, ensuring your brake pedal and accelerator function seamlessly, providing you with the ultimate driving experience. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Dorman 74015 Brake Pedal Accelerator Stop is a prime example of how great things come in small packages. Its compact dimensions, 1.016 centimeters in length, 3.302 centimeters in width and 4.064 centimeters in height make it a perfect fit for your vehicle without taking up unnecessary space. This thoughtful design ensures easy installation and a snug fit, eliminating any worries about compatibility. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your vehicle's pedals are supported by a product designed with such precision. The Dorman 74015 ensures your pedals remain in the optimal position, enhancing both safety and performance. It's the kind of reliability you can count on, whether you're embarking on a long road trip or navigating daily commutes. But the magic of the Dorman 74015 doesn't stop at functionality. This brake pedal accelerator stop is built to last, offering durability that withstands the test of time and the rigors of daily driving. You're investing in a product that delivers consistent performance, making every drive smoother and safer. In summary, the Dorman 74015 Brake Pedal Accelerator Stop is the epitome of engineering excellence in a compact form. Lightweight yet robust, precisely designed yet easy to install, this product embodies the perfect balance of form and function. Elevate your driving experience with the top-selling pedal accessory on Amazon and drive with confidence, knowing you've chosen the best. There you have it. The #1 spot goes to the Dorman 74015 Brake Pedal Accelerator Stop, a small but mighty component that makes a world of difference. Safe travels and happy driving. We hope you enjoyed it.